tribute to my friend. My heart is hurt, wounded, and bleeding. Since you left to be with the Lord, I have been having sleepless nights. Food has become tasteless, and I do not know how to resume my normal daily schedule. Your death has left me in disbelief. And I asked God so many questions because I never thought, not imagined, that one day you would have gone on a journey of no return. Your death was so soon, my friend. How do I tell you, rest in peace? It is not easy for me to say these words. When things were tough and you almost gave up, God gave me a burden to stand with you tirelessly, financially, emotionally. I was ready to do beyond this, to stand with you. I've seen you fight and win so many battles. And when you felt discouraged, I was there for you. And even now, I was prepared, just as we have been there for each other in times of desperate needs. But now, how do I say rest in peace, my friend? For 3 weeks, we have been in and out of hospital. But I did not see any indication of you going on a journey of no return. The only words I remember, and I will always remember, is that you kept telling me that we should spend more time together because we will miss each other so much when you will relocate to the USA. Every time you will miss me, you would return me by calling me and saying, Shiru, come. You will miss me when I'll go to the US. Shiroka, you call Miss Monodad the US. I did not know you would go forever. It is not well. My heart is in pain. My friend and my friend, and true to your words, I am deeply missing you.